Don't you believe in a future Nigeria?
I do. But the Nigerians are not believing in the future of their country. They create it, they destroy it.
Don't you think it's the leadership that has failed Nigerians?
I said so. It's leadership. If you get a good leadership that links with the people, that tries to talk with the people, not talking on top of the people, then we would be okay. I have started visualizing a good Nigerian leader.
Who is that?
A person who travels in this country and has a friend virtually everywhere he travels. He knows at least one person that he can communicate with. A person who is very vast in economic because of the development, and then a good politician who should be able to talk to the Nigerians and so on. I have seen one or two or three already.
Young, middle-aged, elderly?
60s. Yeah.
You think that person should emerge in 2023?
I believe so if we could get him.